ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯇꯣꯞ ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯜꯗꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯑꯞꯗꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯐꯣꯔꯝ MBBSꯀꯤ BTSꯀꯤ BASLPꯒꯤ ꯀꯣ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯂꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯀꯣꯔꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯐꯣꯔꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯐꯣꯔꯝꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯝꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯐꯣꯔꯝꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯅ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯐꯥꯎ ꯂꯧ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯛꯀꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯇꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯄꯥꯕ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯇꯥꯏꯀꯣ ꯅꯣꯇꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯄꯥꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯪꯉꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯅꯣꯇꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯊꯥꯔ ꯂꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯪꯉꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯅꯣꯇꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯔꯤꯒꯥꯔꯗꯤꯡ NEET UG 2019 application form for selection and nomination of candidates ꯊꯥꯔꯒ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯊꯥꯔꯒ ꯂꯤꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯪꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯤꯛ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯤꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯥꯏ PDF ꯐꯥꯏꯜ ꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯠ ꯃꯗꯥ ꯗꯥꯎꯟꯂꯣꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯣꯄꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛ ꯂꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯋꯦꯕꯁꯥꯏꯠꯀꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯞꯁꯟꯗ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯝꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯆꯪꯉꯒ ꯏꯁꯥ ꯏꯊꯟꯗ ꯄꯥꯖꯔꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯅꯣꯇꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯒꯣꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯇꯣꯔꯦꯠ ꯅꯣꯇꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯖꯨꯟꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 4ꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯀꯣ ꯄꯥꯊꯣꯛꯆꯔꯛꯀꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠꯇꯪ in the health department let my letter number pire date 24 May it is hereby notified to all the NEET UG 2019 qualified and eligible candidate of Manipur that the application form for selection and nomination of candidate for MBBS BTS BASLP course 2019 will be available from the medical directorate Lamphel-Pat ko magi sigi magi application form do sidai phang ne haba moi office tagi ko Lamphel-Pat tagi my medical directorate my office lab tagi and the merit list for the state of Manipur will be notified later aduga mai sida laire magi form thab hobusing asidagi hore ko tang 3 tagi hore aduga tang 13 ko thane haba aduga submission tawbuna form je June gi tang 10 gi mamang da taw haiba mai matam je pire 10 makhai de pung 3 fuki manung da tawgadabani mai counseling tawni first counseling second counseling matam loina pire sida tang kya duna pire mob of round counseling matam pire available lairagadi counseling to form sida pire ko main auditorium hall Jenims Porompat the application form gi kanor sida pire to pachatruk yankhai general ga OBC ga ST ga SC ga no pasamri ka adu atopa counseling gi mai gi khangni ga su mai gi official website khoina sangai se sida dum upload torokane haba ko mai gi notice board adugo sida if it further inform that any eligible candidate or his her authorized attendant who are absent on the first day of the counseling shall not be allowed to attend the subsequent counseling han counseling yahodra any sub counseling yawu yade haba ko cancel kano tawne haba sini maru ebisi ma'am sigi notification se hana download tawro nasa isa eligible oiragadi ko dukana sugumba sima nong sabase lawiyo manipur gini and thank you so much guys share lo sinjarage bye bye